रोमांस कैसे किया इसके साथ?
Well, yeah, it wasn't. You know, like any friends. I think if you're really that close and if you spend so much time together, and you have a relationship that's just platonic, it's very hard to romance each other because there's an awkwardness always there.
Always there.
You know, moving into a certain or pretending to be a certain in a certain relationship in an aspect where you're not. So of course it's very hard to do that with this lady here because you know she's just very unprofessional when it comes to keeping a straight face. शर्म आ जाती है उसको ना वो मोड में आती नहीं है टाइम लगता है उसको.
कैसे आती है शर्म में?
हंसना शुरू हो जाती है.
थोड़ी एक्टिंग उसकी तरह की करके दिखा दो.
And then or she'll slap me, you know, like immediately, like मैं आ रहा हूँ, like you know, बिल्कुल लड़कों की तरह she'll be like, boy, क्या सीन है boy.
ये इसके साथ रोमांस करूँ मैं ये.
That's what she does, man.
Ali, the one who claims that I am the one who laughs all the time because it's awkward. Romance, ये मुंह को भी ना ये देखो एक सेकंड ये यूं पकड़ते हैं ना मुंह को. Ali यूं पकड़ता है romance में so many times. नहीं, I can show you those takes.
Show me the takes. Show me the takes.
Remember that time? एक second, no. Remember that time when Asma said कि बेटा he had to teach you how to पकड़ो fire face.
यार, I'll tell you what I was doing. Okay, I remember that.
No.
I'll show you. Real life में क्या होता है? अब कैमरा और real life में थोड़ा फर्क होता है. अब मैं सुनो देखा?
I'm scared of him. I'm scared for my life.
देखा this is what she does.
No.
अब कैमरा में मैं real life में ये करूँगा.
नहीं.
अब कैमरा में इसका face
तो
उसमें देखा ये करो.
नहीं.
Basically that's
तुमने ये किया था. इधर देखो.
I'll show you. क्या करो?
So what he did was he supposed to.
मैं आगे मुंह ये करके प्लीज मेरा भी पकड़ लो.
So he was supposed to hold my face in a very soft, romantic manner. I'll tell you why Asma said कि didn't do this. ठीक है? You know what he did? He came like.
जी नहीं ऐसा भी नहीं था. I assure you 100% तुम takes देखोगी ना तुम देखोगी exaggeration.
Okay, so you guys know how the best friends challenge works.
Yeah.
I believe you already started doodling on your pages that I've given you, like little children.
Yes.
Okay, so the first 7 questions are going to be all about Hareem. And you're both going to answer, write your answers here and then flip them over. The phrase Hareem says when she's angry.
More like lack of it. तब चढ़ रही है. I was actually going to say yaar. Actually, I was actually going to write yaar.
But the question was कि phrase क्या है? She uses a phrase and he did write a phrase. So I'll give Ali this one. One thing Hareem does on set when she is free and no one is looking.
Because no one has ever spotted me doing this.
Never has.
Oh really?
And you've done it. Always on the cell phone, sleeping. How do you find time to sleep on set?
I don't. This is the thing. When no one's looking, I doze off for like 5 minutes.
You're not always doing that.
If I get 5 minutes.
Oh.
You're always on the phone. Always.
And
then you ask her. I'm like, oh, what about you? Do you see this? Do you see that? No. What the hell do you do on the phone? Like,
because I'm working on my phone. Like.
Hareem's funniest moment from the sets of Hirmanja.
Hareem's funniest moment on the set of Hirmanja.
What's my funniest moment?
Hareem's funniest
I'm
moment?
just funny. In general.
Are you?
Dude.
Are you
We're thinking, huh?
really Hareem?
Like working here.
Dude.
No jokes.
Hashtag tu रहने दे. Eddie tu. Hareem. No funny. Yay, you got one correct, guys. Well done.
I got the first one correct too.
Yeah, but that was just out of, You got it correct because she didn't get the memo. If Hareem could come back as an animal, which animal would she be?
I know.
I don't know, man.
They're 2,
They're
they're
2,
3,
they're
they're
2.
4.
You want to be a zoo?
I do actually. Yeah, you know, this is like. You won't be able to guess this one, I'm telling you.
Really?
Yeah.
Then why do you always pretend?
And this was the second one though.
Well, now you've written.
This is the ultimate one. And this is the second one.
Panda. And you should put cat after she written, but I
No, because it's the second one.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
Okay.
the
Cats and dogs
I
is
don't.
written.
Wouldn't want to be a dog when I come back. No.
कुत्तों का शौक नहीं?
I love dogs,
Love
but I wouldn't
dogs.
want to be one.
Why? Dogs are so much better than cats.
I know, but see, they're so lazy. These two, they're like so lazy and
Well,
so
yeah, panda is
pampered.
also
I love
cute.
being
They're lazy and
pampered.
almost extinct, and then this is of course lazy and.
I want to revive.
And like narcissistic.
No, they're so pampered. I love being pampered.
So are dogs.
Dogs are actually
Yeah, but
more
they're being
loving.
pampered.
They love you
These
more.
are not
Actually,
pampered.
this is.
They're extinct because of humans. So whatever.
आप कर लो बात.
It's not a joke.
It's not a joke.
Clearly, I wouldn't want to be this animal when I come back.
The biggest difference between Hareem the actor and Hareem the producer.
As an actor.
Write, not speak.
Okay.
तब चढ़ गई अब right, not speak. Okay. Oh my God. So he's right.
He's right.
He's right because this is
So as
the
an
major
actor,
difference.
she's
Yes.
more chilled out and focused. As a producer, very on it, tries to take on as much responsibility. More calmer when acting.
So and it's the opposite.
And opposite. Oh, amazing! Another point for LA. If Hareem had a choice to be born in any era, which era would she choose?
Era.
Either na likho. Era. Did you say era? Either you guys are extremely exhausted, or you really lost your mind.
That too.
So you lose your mind when you're exhausted. Which era?
Any era.
Oh.
Fresh sheet, please.
Era would you be a part? We never discussed history.
ये इतने बड़े पेपर पे तुमने इतना छोटा सा
I want to utilize this paper more.
For what?
इधर देखो इधर मैं इसको अलग करके ना. Oh, he's smart.
Woohoo! 60s! Yeah, what do you say that you lost other best friends challenges? He's like freaking killing it. Coming out to Ali now. Okay, we have fresh
Yeah.
sheets of paper.
देखते हैं
please.
जरा.
What food does he hate the most? Okay. Reveal.
Who's that?
Really oily food.
Karela.
Hated it
I
as
love Karelas. What do you not like about Karela?
I hated it
not
as a
like
child.
Huh?
I hated it as a child.
Okay. Ali's first celebrity crush.
First celebrity crush. Who? I mean, there's so many. Why should I tell you? I'll tell you mine.
He's seen your answer.
No, she's actually right. She's actually right.